An essential part of the digestive system is the colon. Its duties include eliminating solid waste from the body and extracting the water, salt, vitamins, and nutrients from indigestible food. It also breaks down food that was not digested by the small intestine. However, when the colon isn't functioning correctly, it absorbs toxins rather than eliminating them, leading to issues including headaches, bloating, constipation, gas, weight gain, poor energy, exhaustion, and chronic illnesses. Meals that weren't digested can also contribute to these issues. The majority of the foods we eat today are laced with additives, preservatives, and other chemicals. This causes mucus to accumulate in the colon, where it produces toxins that harm the body. However, by performing a colon cleaning, you can remove harmful toxins and increase the number of good bacteria in your intestines. You will feel more energized and the body will be able to absorb vitamins and nutrients. The colon can be cleaned using a variety of methods. The greatest solutions, however, are frequently straightforward, all-natural treatments. Ask your doctor for advice prior to beginning any colon cleansing regimen, especially if you are on any medications or have any medical conditions. 1. Drinking water. Lots of water is the finest thing you can do for colon cleansing. It's crucial to consume 10 to 12 glasses of water each day. This will assist your body in naturally eliminating waste and toxic substances. Water consumption will also aid in the natural peristaltic movement, which aids in the passage of food through the digestive system. Water is necessary to keep your body hydrated as well. You can sip on fresh fruit and vegetable juices in addition to water. 2. Lemon juice. Lemons are healthy for the digestive system since they are rich in vitamin C and contain antioxidant characteristics. Lemon juice is therefore excellent for colon cleansing. In a glass of warm water, combine 1 lemon's juice, a pinch of sea salt, and some honey. Drink this concoction first thing in the morning without food. You'll have more energy, healthier bowel movements, and better skin as a result of this. 3. Apple juice. Fresh apple juice is another fantastic colon cleanser. Apple juice can facilitate bowel movements, assist in removing toxins, and improve the condition of the liver and digestive tract, if consumed regularly. 4. Raw vegetable juice. It's crucial to abstain from processed and cooked foods for a day or two before colon cleansing. Drink a couple glasses of fresh vegetable juice throughout the day rather than consuming solid foods. Green vegetables are beneficial because they contain chlorophyll, which aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Additionally, they include vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and enzymes that will provide you energy and maintain the health of your body. Herbal teas are another option. 5. Foods high in fiber. Consuming high-fiber foods will aid in the colon's detoxification of harmful substances. Fiber keeps the stool soft and promotes bowel movements, which aid in the body's ability to expel waste. Any digestive issue can be resolved by eating foods high in fiber. Fresh fruits and vegetables like artichokes, peas, and broccoli, as well as pears, apples, and raspberries, can help you increase the amount of fiber in your diet. Cereals, whole grains, nuts, beans, and seeds also contain a significant amount of fiber. 6. Yogurt. Regular consumption of fresh yogurt is a fantastic approach to maintain a healthy colon. Yogurt can improve digestion by introducing healthy bacteria to the gut, because it is a probiotic food. Additionally, it can combat inflammatory bowel illness. This is especially true for yogurts containing living cultures. 7. Flaxseed. Including flaxseed in your diet is an excellent approach to cleanse your colon because it is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural fibers. Flaxseed will absorb water, expand in the colon, and assist in pushing mucus and toxins out when waste passes through. Additionally, it can stave off diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. 8. Ginger. Ginger is a common component that can reduce bloating, support healthy bowel function, and keep the body free of harmful toxins and waste. By causing the digestive juices to flow, it aids in digestion. For colon cleansing, ginger can be used in any form, including grated, juiced, or split into pieces. 9. Aloe vera. The laxative and toxin-killing properties of aloe vera are well recognized. It is therefore a fantastic colon cleaner. Other health issues like headaches, skin infections, diarrhea, gastrointestinal pain, and constipation can also be treated with aloe vera gel. Consider the following. Fresh aloe vera gel should be combined with 1 lemon's juice to create a few ounces of smooth liquid. For a few days, try sipping it throughout the day. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.